Hi everyone, welcome to my third Yakomon devlog. You might notice I don't know where my cap is, no cap. But yeah, these past 2 weeks I did a lot of coding. You can add a starter creature for the logged in user. You can spawn a creature for that user also. And then click on that creature to start a battle. For the battle itself, it creates a battle document with all the relevant data. And in Unity, it now also sets the sprites correctly, as well as now the stats get properly calculated to adjust for the level the creature is at, as well as the moves get the correct data set. And now you can go even further than the start of the battle. You can enter the player think state. That state now fully works. You can choose a move index. You got these 2 moves here, and then send that to the cloud. And when it sets correctly in the cloud, you get returned a enemy move tile index, which represents where the enemy will move to, which is needed for the next state, which is performing the move. And for that, right now, the client side works, as in you can select a move tile, as you can see. You can do that by either pressing the tile itself or press a UI button. And as you can see, it selects it correctly. I'm still busy, though, coding the actual functionality of the move itself, which a lot goes into that. But yeah, it's good progress in general. I feel like I'm about halfway towards a basic battle system that's ready for playtesting. Planning to do that in the next 2 weeks. And yeah, it's especially good progress since most of what the player can do, the enemy can also do, so the code will be shared a lot. But yeah, that's it so far for the battle. There was also one other thing I found out in these past 2 weeks. And that is a feature in the Mapbox Unity SDK that I'm using, where they have this demo scene for a voxel world, which basically takes the real world map data along with stuff like elevation and turns it into these voxels, these blocks, which essentially is kind of like a Minecraft type look. But that's also something I really wanted, and I didn't know how exactly I was going to do it either, so it's really nice they included this. The way I wanted it though is a bit different. I want the ground to be flat, so instead of voxels, I want to turn the system into using just 2D tiles. That also won't be, I think, as performance heavy as voxels might be. Those tiles will then also be used for the spawning logic for both the creatures, but as well as the houses and the objects. But yeah, it's really nice that they included a demo like this, because then I can just use their code and adjust it to my liking, which I hope will be easy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for these 2 weeks. There's not much to show. It's been a lot of coding, a lot of developing cloud functions. But I've got some nice developing done. I'm at a pretty good state with coding cloud functions. And I'm looking forward to finishing a basic battle system to be able to test it, and also to be able to start on features like having a nice ground to look at, because the ground right now also just looks a bit off, doesn't really fit the style. So I really want to change that as quick as possible, and I hope you guys also like to see that. But yeah, anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more Yakomon devlogs. Peace.